Welcome to my shop. In these videos I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to take this old 2016 Yeti Snow MX 120 and we're going to take everything off it and put on a brand new replacement carbon fiber tunnel right here. So looking forward to that. Along with that, we're going to put on a brand new track, an updated track. So instead of the max keel track that's on this kit, we'll be installing the new Camso track and we'll be upgrading this from a 120 to a 129. So in this video, I hope it helps you with the procedure if you're doing it for yourself. Let's go. I think the first thing I'm going to do is just take off the, all the trimmings and stuff. Like, got a luggage carrier here, rear handle, logo, some of the top parts that mount onto the bike, the adapter plates. We've already obviously taken off the bike and the chain and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started. It's always a good tip to sometimes, just put the screws into the areas that they came out of. It takes a little bit longer, but it saves you from the process, and maybe for some people it might take a couple days to get this done depending on how busy your schedule is, to know that those screws go there, opposed to kind of putting them in a pile. So we have a problem already. One of these little hex screws is already stripped out. So I'm going to show you guys a little trick to getting these out if you don't know this already. What you'll need is you need to have a Dremel on hand with a small cutting wheel on it, and then obviously power, plug it in, and we're going to use a Dremel tool to cut a slot across the top of the screw so that we can make it into a flathead screw, and we use a flathead screwdriver to get it out. And dragged it across the top to create a slot. And yeah, it was just stacked full of Loctite. So good to see that it's out. Nothing got broken, but there's the slot. Okay, so my flathead screwdriver trick isn't working, so I think what I'll do is I'll put a bit of heat on the bottom of it. It shouldn't do too much. Just get that Loctite in there softened up a bit so it turns nice, a little easier. Okay, that's released, and yeah, it's just right full of red Loctite. Because why not red? Why would we use red? So I'll definitely be using blue Loctite from here on in instead of red. Probably got recommended that by crazy other snow biker. If you're unsure where things go back, use your cell phone, take pictures. It really makes a big difference. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to remove the inside workings of the track system. The suspension and all the wheels and pulleys and stuff like that, and we'll pull that out. We'll get this to collapse, and then we'll take out the drive shaft and then pull the track out, and then start thinking about the jack shaft and all the rest of this stuff up here. Just not enough space to get at it without the track coming off, so off we go. Now, should be able to lift this straight up. Perfect. And take our system out simply from the side. And like so, we're out. Okay, now being able to tunnel up, I'm just going to change gears a bit and take out the rest of my luggage rack while it's kind of standing there on its own nicely. Whew. A monkey put that on. Okay, perfect. So now that's loosened, I can get my 12mm wrench and I can adjust this back and forth. Another great resource for learning these things, guys, is on my computer over here. Yeti's SnowMX site has on YouTube has all kinds of videos, especially on these older units, on how to disassemble and take them apart. So I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't messing around doing something wrong, but the video confirmed it. So good resource to YouTube for working on these older Yetis. And I'm pretty sure the new ones are all fairly similar when it comes to the procedures of how to disassemble and reassemble them. Now I'll find out soon because my next build will be a brand new Yeti. Always take note when you're removing stuff that if there's one side to the other, that they're either identically the same, or if there's one that's slightly different, mark it or make documentation so you know that which side. In this case, they're both identical, so whatever. I'm pulling them out just so I don't slip and lose them on the ground.